Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean your HP Deskjet printer. This is going to apply to the HP Deskjet 2800 series but also the 2700 and the 2600 series, and essentially any HP Deskjet that exists really. They're all the same. They're all very similar and the functions exist upon all of them. Now something I do want to mention about cleaning is that when I say cleaning, I don't mean we're going to open it up and use a brush and some tissues to clean it. When I say cleaning, I mean we're going to use the preset settings on the HP Smart app, and we're going to be doing things such as cleaning the print head or cleaning smear. Now, so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is open your HP Smart app. Now, if you don't have this downloaded, you're going to need this to access a lot of the functionality on the printer. It's very important. And also, unfortunately, you will not be able to use this cleaning feature unless you have the printer fully connected with Wi-Fi. So as you can see over here, my Wi-Fi button is a solid blue dot, which means that my Wi-Fi is connected and ready to go. So anyway, once you're on the HP Smart app, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the actual printer itself and we're going to scroll down to alignment and maintenance. Now, once we're in here and it loads, you'll see there's a lot of options. We can print a quality report. So this is quite useful if your printer's smeared a bit or there's some fuzzy lines and whatnot. You know, there's an issue with clearly something to do with the actual printing itself, or you know, the way it's laying the ink or whatever. It's worth printing a quality report, and it will have some lines and some demonstrations that you can use to determine what the issue is with your printer. However, this video is about cleaning. So you have two options at the bottom here. You can clean smear, which removes buildup in the printer that can cause smearing on printed pages. And also you can clean the print head. The print head is essentially where the main printing happens. And this is what I'm going to show you in the video. However, you can try both of these. So first things first, we'll go ahead and clean the print head. So we're going to click clean, and this process from here will probably take a few minutes. First thing that's going to happen is they're going to print a diagnostics page. So let's have a look at the diagnostics page. Now it does say that once you're happy with this diagnostics, oh, it fell on the floor. Once you're happy with this diagnostics page, you're going to click done. And if I'm not happy with it, I will click level 2 cleaning. So I think once I click level 2 cleaning, it could probably take about 3.5 minutes and the printer will print a few pages. So let's have a look at that page that it just printed. So this is the page that it printed, and essentially by looking at this, you'll be able to tell if there's any issues with your printer and if it needs continued cleanliness. So you'll see there's a few things. Ink levels are okay and should not cause print quality problems. The ink is genuine HP. So they've looked at what ink I've put in and they know it's genuine, so that's the first line. And you can have a look. If the color blocks below are streaked or missing, clean cartridges. I could see that there's no colors missing, and they're not streaked at all. The black looks good. If the lines are crooked, align the printer, which is, these lines seem okay. And then if there's a dark line or white gap within the green box where the arrow is pointing, align printer. And there is no dark line or white gap. I can see it's slightly white, but that's fine. And it says if the images above are okay, the printer appears to be working. So that's that really. So the first thing it's going to do is send this diagnostic. Now, if this doesn't look good, what you'll do in the next step is you'll pick up your phone, which is still on the HP Smart app, and then you'll click level 2 cleaning. And this is going to properly try and clean the print head. Now, don't do this unless unless there was genuine issues with that piece of diagnostic paper that it printed. However, if there are issues, this is probably your best bet to actually go ahead and clean it. So as you can see, it's gone ahead and printed the same page and everything looks fine to me. If it's seriously still an issue, you can go ahead and click level 3 cleaning. But I'm quite satisfied with this page, so I'll click done. And that's that for cleaning the print head. Now, next up, we're going to look at cleaning the smear. So this will remove buildup in the printer that can cause smearing on printed pages. So we'll click clean. and it's going to do something similar. So we'll give that a second. It's quite interesting. You can see it's kind of inserting and outputting the paper. It's like in and out, kind of shaking the paper. And what this is doing is this is cleaning one of the rolls that might smear. Sometimes that happens. If you ever have a line on your page, one of the rolls inside the printer, sometimes there can be a little bit of ink build up, and then as paper rolls between that, the ink can smear. And there's honestly nothing you can really do about it. It's a shame sometimes. But a lot of the times the printer can print it. So we'll wait for this to finish. Okay, so the first stage is done. As you can see, my printer is actually new, so there weren't any issues with it. And so my page is clean. But if you ended up having actual smear on your printer, it should come out on this page and you should be able to see the issues. Now, this is done. Although it's still doing something in the background, I can hear it spurring away. And on the app, you can see that rib smear clearing is still in process, and it's done now. So yeah, so that's everything. That's how you clean your HP Deskjet printer. There's two options. I recommend trying both of them if you have any print quality issues with your paper. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.